So this is paper 2018, ordinary level, question 9. Now the first thing we see here on this is we were given an equilateral triangle. A lot of these are equilateral triangles, meaning all the sides are the same length and all these angles are the same. And this is a square, this part here. We know all the angles here on a square, the full angle, are 90 degrees. So we'll start with this first. If all these angles are the same here inside this triangle, and we know that the total amount of angles in any triangle is 180, we divide 180 by 3, and we're left with 60. So this equals 60 degrees. We know that x is this angle here, and that has to be 90 degrees because that is a square, and all the angles in a square are 90 degrees. Y, this is a diagonal, that's half of 90, so that must be 45 degrees. Half of 90, get 90 divided by 2. Work out this angle C here. Now we know that this here is 60, and we know that this here part here is 45 degrees. So we add them up. So it's going to be 60 plus 45 equals 105 degrees. Now moving on to this side here, part B, we're going to look at it. We've got again the same shape, only we're told these two sides are 5, that must be 5 also, and this is x. We want to find what x is. So I'm going to look at the triangle here that I highlight, and this is the triangle I'm looking at, just this here part, that triangle. So I want to find x. I'm going to take that triangle out, and I know this here is 5, this is x. So we're going to use Pythagoras. C squared equals a squared plus b squared. Now this is C, this part. This side here with the axis, because it's the hypotenuse, it's opposite this 90 degree angle, and it's the longest side. We've got the other two sides now. You can call any one you want, A or B. It doesn't matter which one, but C must always be this longest side. So we're going to substitute those letters in. X in for C, x squared equals 5 for A and 5 for B. 5 squared plus 5 squared. So we'll do this on our calculator. And when you do it on your calculator, you only 25 plus 25 is 50. So x equals the root of 50. Now you'll have to put that, simplify your answer to 2 decimal places, put it into your calculator, and you'll get that square root of 50. Now we need to construct this shape here. So the first thing is we look at the base, which is 5 centimeters. So we look at this base, 5 centimeters, and we draw a line 5 centimeters. Draw 5 straight across. Now we know at either side of this triangle here, there's a 90 degree angle. We know it's 90 degrees. So we get a protractor, draw 90 degrees from this side, 0 up to 90. Draw a straight line up through there. And we know this side here is 90 degrees also. Protractor down, start from 0. Straight line up through that. Now we're going to get a compass. We know we need to do 5 centimeters. So I'm going to draw a key up here. I'm just going to draw a key of 5 centimeters somewhere so we can see it clearly. I'm going to draw 5 centimeters. Here we go. Start from 0 to 5. That's 5 centimeters. Get my compass. Make a measurement of 5. There we are. And draw an arc. 5 here, arc. And you can get your ruler and you can see those arcs are 5 centimeters from there. Oh, that's not 5. Needs to be up a bit. This here is not exactly 5. Did I make a mistake here? Let's measure it. Slightly off, you can see. So we want to make the marks clear, and it's okay to make mistakes. Rub those out. And let's try again. Let's do an arc. And we'll measure it this time to be sure. That's 5. That's 5. Now once that's done, we can draw a line straight across from those two arcs. Now the compass sometimes slips and it will go smaller, and that's okay, but you need to show those arcs. That's 5, and that's the square bit. We'll do the diagonal straight down from these two corners. The next part is 5 here, you can see it, I think you can see it here. This is to be length 5 and this to be length 5. So again, get our compass, make sure it's at 5 and it doesn't slip at all. So measure it again, 5, that's 5. Put it here, and we're going to just draw a 5 centimeter arc like this. And another side over here. Where these intersect, that's going to be where we draw our lines to. So we're going to go from here up to the point, straight down, from here, straight up, and that's 5 centimeters. 5 cm, 5 cm. That's it done. That's it done. So we're good. Thank you for watching.